Assalamu alaikum. Sinoma Consulting here. Just wanted to say it has been a pleasure visiting this beautiful part of France. And I do recommend if you come to a holiday here in Europe, okay, no matter how good the weather is meant to be, make sure you invest in a holiday home that allows you to have an indoor swimming pool, okay? So I've been blessed that even when the weather wasn't that great, I still got to enjoy the nice heated pool. So yes, France, a beautiful country, a country going through many transformation. And to be honest, I didn't think I was going to enjoy this trip as much as I did, but hey, just goes to show, until you try it out, you can never say never. But anyway, to all my followers, I just want to say, make sure you enjoy your time. We're going through some testing times here with coronavirus. It keeps on popping its ugly head wherever it gets a chance. So enjoy yourself. Make sure you stay safe, spend quality time with the family. Make sure as well that you actually take advantage because you never know when your time is. All right. But anyway, let me just beautifully turn this camera around and I change this morbid subject of death so you guys can enjoy the nice beauty, the nice scenery. Okay, guys. So the next time you enjoy, you take care. Peace and love.
kalgacayl ilayniga masuule naftaydan